Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to download and how to set up a Cash app from Android or iPhone step by step. If you use a Samsung smartphone, you can get a Cash app from Google Pay. If you use an iPhone, you can go to App Store and download Cash app. Okay, I'm searching Cash app. Okay, I'm going to get the Cash app download. So you can see Cash app is downloading right now. Okay, already downloaded the app. I'm going to open. Okay, you have to enter your mobile phone or email. I'm going to enter my mobile phone. Add your phone number. They're sending confirmation code to your phone. Then we have to enter that code. Okay, I'm going to enter my confirmation number. You enter your code number, then press next. Okay, if you successfully added to your phone number, they're sending add bank using a debit card linking external account allow you to move money and account cash app balance. You have to add it to your debit card number, birthday, 3-digit CV number and zip code and link your card. Alright guys, if you successfully added to your debit card number, birthday, CV number and zip code, then they're asking we have to enter your legal first name and last name. Click next. Okay, everything done. They're sending choose a cash tag, your unique name getting paid by anyone. Okay, that's your name. Then everything correct. Then we have to click next. Guys, final part. Please enter your zip code. Then you have to enter your zip code and click next. Okay, successfully enter your zip code. Then they're sending choose a cash pin added security. Enter your security pin code. Right, again they're sending message. Please confirm your cash pin code. Then we have to enter your same pin code and press OK. Okay, after enter your secret pin code, then sending a page like that. You can see meet the cash app card and customizable design, instant discount, no hidden fees, FDIC insured balance. Then you can read this part. Okay, your balance is FDI insured through our partner banks, Wells Fargo Bank, and if you read it, then you can click next. Alright guys, if you invite your friend, you can get a $10 cash back. You can change this permission to at any time setting. Okay, I'm going to skip this part. If you want, you can continue. I'm going to skip. Alright, welcome to Cash App. You get the brand new Cash App like that page. Then we can operate by yourself. Okay, everything done. You can get like that page successfully. We set up the Cash App, account setting personal, link bank account, security, privacy, notification, document, support. Okay, enter your referral code. If you want a referral code and send in to your friend, you get in $10. Alright, everything successfully done. Then sign out. Alright guys, that's how to set up a Cash App. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.